So we spoke earlier about how you're predominantly a software provider. You know, as an organisation, you want to sell software. You will bundle that up in an appliance if you want. But if I just want to buy your software, how do I buy that? Is that a perpetual license, or do I have to buy on a subscription basis? How does it work?
Yeah, I mean, we have different license modeling. You know, also from a business perspective, you kind of have to be flexible, not to make sure that you follow what your customer needs are.
Well, your software's provided flexibility, so I guess your licensing model has to as well.
You know, if you're a software-defined vendor and you are flexible to adapt yourself, it must come also from a business perspective. No? And that's come, as we said, from the hardware perspective. You have the freedom to choose, you know, among different, and that's first big. So your CapEx, basically, you have really the possibility, you know, to choose whatever hardware you need. From the software side, actually, we have also two different models. One which is looking more to service provider style, where you eventually you don't know where your trip is going. You know, where are you going? Eventually, tomorrow you can find a customer and you need immediately, I don't know, to grow your infrastructure of say 70, 80, 100%. So we have a model which is consume based. So we are monitoring the amount of resources that basically the customer is consuming. Eventually, then we have another model which is looking into more traditional way to consume and to buy storage. So we have customers that they have some budget and they want to allocate this budget for the next 3 years. They want to have a kind of very defined cost structure, and then they can buy a subscription model where they buy number of years of license to cover their need. So it's pretty flexible depending on customer needs.
So in summary, what you're saying is that actually you're going to work with the customer to provide them with the right licensing model for their scenario.
Indeed.
And that can be any one of three great options, really.
Yeah.
Exactly.